destiny number 8 in numerology, or as well called the expression number 8 in numerology. What is the destiny number 8 about? I'm going to clarify this in today's video, and I am going to give you concrete career advice. What is the destiny number 8 most successful in doing and making money? As a destiny number 8, you're destined to be a business-minded leader who lives by your higher ideals. Being in alignment and integrity with your ideals is super important for you as a destiny number 8. You are naturally good in making money. This is your superpower. You see systems, strategies, products, and you can easily monetize these products, services. Whatever you see has a good potential. You are a natural leader and you have a natural authority around you. So you are very good in managing, guiding, leading teams. Your superpower is that you are very strong, very focused person, and a lot of people lack these strengths. So you can pass it on to others, and as well you pass it automatically on to others when you live in integrity with yourself. You are here to balance the material and the spiritual world. This is one of your tasks. Your life mission is to adopt an attitude of abundance, to redefine what is abundance for you. Abundance goes beyond money. Yes, the destiny number 8 is about money. It is a business player. But to understand as well that abundance is not only money. Who would you be when your health is not intact? So take care of your body. Who would you be if you have no love in your life, if your heart is closed? Who would you be if you have not a like-minded community around you? What would life be? So redefine what is true abundance for you. How does it look like for you to live in an abundant state? You are destined to reclaim your personal power. It can even feel that you're not feeling powerful right now at this moment, and this is your goal, to immerse yourself and realize how powerful you are. Remember yourself that you have this natural authority around you, and to crawl out of your cave, as I would say. Lift the curtains, come out of the fog and show yourself, express yourself, lead, take the lead. Utilize your creative ability to manifest your dreams. You are really good in manifestation. You must also overcome the tendency to measure, compare your own and other success through physical appearance or material accumulation, wealth, status, or power. Comparison is not healthy for you. Step from comparison into co-creation. Look for other leaders and share your resources, your knowledge. Work together with them, and you're even going to become more powerful and more successful and more abundance, even you don't have to focus on it. Now I'm giving you concrete career advice as a destiny number 8, and let me know if you're destiny number 8 or if you have anyone in your circle around you who is a destiny number 8. You are a gifted organizer. You are very good in holding your focus for a longer period of time on a project. You are hardworking and you have a very strong mind. That means you can basically achieve everything you set your mind to. But you need to know what you accomplish. So important for you on your career path is that you have clarity about where you want to go. It's very important and essential for the destiny number 8 to have a reason, a purpose why you do things. Without that, you might feel lost by times. Know why are you in your career? Why is that important to you? What benefits is it giving to you? You are designed for a leadership role. Anything other is not really working well. Or wait, obviously you're not born in a leadership role necessarily, but work your way up to already surround yourself with leaders. Super important for you. You need to have the power of decision. When you really listen to your intuition, when you really follow your path, you are courageous, you are a leader, you are strong-willed, and you have the power to build an empire. I see a lot of destiny number 8s very good in building their own business. For example, you could build an online marketing business, making tons of money with it, and then sharing your resources with others, how you made it. Helping others will always bring you the biggest wins. You can be working in a company in a leadership or management position that is very good for you as well. You can basically work in any area because you have that laser focus and you have that willpower to work yourself into any kind of topic and to basically learn everything you set your mind to. Just find your why and you're going to be crushing it and smashing it and making a lot of money. Let me know if you resonate with that. I recommend you to download my free Numerology handbook and look specifically into the number 8. Keep working with the number 8 if you want to step deeper into your destiny, what you're designed to do here in this lifetime. Other than that, I'm thanking you for being here in our Numiverse, and I am sending you the highest blessings for your path.